Peace, how are you doing? It has been so long. I am good, and you? I am good. I was about to go to the market. Can you go with me? Okay, let us go.
Ladies, what do you want to buy?
We want to buy some of these fresh tomatoes for our dinner.
Okay, how much are you looking to spend on these today?
What if I told you that you can create videos where AI characters talk to each other naturally without paying for any expensive software and without any editing experience? Imagine creating animated conversation, comedy skits, story videos, educational videos, or even viral YouTube shorts using completely free AI tools. The best part, you don't need to know coding, you don't need a powerful computer, and you don't need to spend a single dollar. In this video, I will show you my complete step-by-step way to create dialogue AI videos for free. By the end of this video, you have everything you need to start creating your own AI dialogue videos content today. So if you are ready to save money, create amazing content, make sure you watch this video to the very end. Before anything, make sure your script and your image is ready. I created a video of how to generate AI images for free. You can check it out if you don't know how to generate images. I will leave the link in the description. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. For this tutorial, we are going to use YouTube to generate our AI videos. So the first thing you are going to do is to go to your YouTube app. When you go to your YouTube app, click on this plus sign as if you want to upload a video. You come to Shorts. Click on the Gemini icon. When you come to this page, you have an option to create video from a prompt, or you can create video from a photo. You can also create music, but for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to create video from a photo. So click on photo to video. Then you give it a prompt. It's going to suggest prompts for you, but you are going to give it your own prompts to generate what you have in mind. So you click here and input your prompt. So this is my prompt. I said, first of all, I told you to use Nigerian accent because that's how I want my video to sound. So it depends on you. It depends on what you want. So I indicated is the woman wearing red that is supposed to say, peace, how are you doing? It's been so long. Because the AI don't know the name of each of the character. So it is you that will indicate the character that should be talking. The other woman, I used woman wearing jeans to describe her. I'm good, and you? Woman wearing red, I'm good. I was about to go to the market. Can you go with me? So that is how you are going to indicate your character so that the AI will know the person that should be talking. Don't give it too much prompt so that it will not make mistakes. So after writing your prompt, you click on this arrow and it will start generating.
Peace, how are you doing? It has been so long. I am good, and you? I am good. I was about to go to the market. Can you go with me? Okay, let us go.
So if you want to save it now, come to this arrow down and click on save to device. Note, this video is going to have a little watermark. It's going to have a little Gemini watermark at the down part of it. So when you are editing it, make sure you remove the watermark. Then let's create another scene.
Peace, how are you doing? It has been so long. I am good, and you? I am good. I was about to go to the market. Can you go with me? Okay, let us go.
Hi, ladies, what do you want to buy?
We want to buy some of these fresh tomatoes for our dinner.
Okay, how much are you looking to spend on these today?
So if you want to be saving it one by one, you can do that. But if you don't want, you can continue creating until the end of the video. You will save it all together. But I advise you to be saving it one by one in case if anything happens, you still have your clips. So you come to this arrow and click on save device, and it will save to device. So if you want to add another video, you can continue adding video. You come back to this arrow. So that is that. If you got value for this video, don't forget to subscribe and click on notification button so that whenever we upload videos like this, you will be first to be notified. Thank you for watching.